Hi everyone, welcome to byte-size Python. Today, we're gonna talk about integer in Python. Integer can be any whole number in Python, be it 0, positive or negative values. Now, let's try to assign a 0, positive and negative values to three different variables named x, y, and z, which they are all integer. Besides, we can also assign binary, octal, and hexadecimal to a variable. Python will convert binary, octal, and hexadecimal values into integer. The prefix value for binary is start with 0b, octal is 0o, and hexadecimal is 0x. Now, let's print out the x, y, and z values. It should be 21, 72, and 16, which all of them are integer. All integer can use the built-in function of Python, tag to check. It will tell you the variable belong to int. This is because of all integer are objects that belong to the int class in Python. At the same time, leading 0 are not allowed as well. In some practice, people like to use comma or stasis to separate numbers. Unfortunately, this is not allowed in Python. If we use comma, Python will interpret that your assignment is a tuple instead. For stasis, Python cannot understand and will return error. But underscore is accepted. That's it. Happy byte learning!